Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday morning. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you for submitting your work, those who are, and if you're not, remember, as far as grades go, you can only improve your grade. So if you can, please do turn in your work. If you have any questions, you're welcome to ask. You can email, you can request or ask me if you want to schedule a Zoom meeting, a personal one, if you want to go over any of the material, or if you want to go over your grades, you're welcome to ask, and I will we'll get together over Zoom. All right. So we're going to continue our exploration of ocean currents, the different types of ocean currents, and how they affect weather, climate, and temperatures around the world. All right. So I'm just going to go over not last week's or yesterday's, but the day before's material about ocean currents. All right. We'll just go over it, review it, and then I will provide some answers for you and some tips. All right. So we started talking about ocean currents, and there was a video that went along with the handout or the assignment, and the video has all the answers in the same language that's used in the handout. I just want to give you a tip. So if you play the video, right, it opens in this window. But if you go to YouTube, I had to do that because I needed to end or stop at a certain place.
Presenting PowerStore. It's smart. It's adaptable.
So let's just play through. Actually, I don't need to get to the video itself. So if you want, what you can do is press these dots here and open transcript. Okay, and then let me open transcript, and the transcript opens up here. So this tells you, this is a transcript in writing of what the speaker is talking about, right? So if you have trouble following along, you can open transcript, and it may be able, yeah, looks like, hopefully there's definitely Korean. Let's see if there's Spanish. Perfect. So you can read what the speaker is saying in Spanish or in Korean or any other language you want to. And so once you follow along, you can find the answers to the question. So what are some sources that drive ocean currents? The tides, the wind, right? And the tides are caused by the moon. We'll cover that a little later on. But basically the moon pulls, and as the moon rotates around the earth, it pulls, its gravity kind of pulls a little bit onto the water, and tides happen. Tides go in and out from the shore. Changes in water density are sources of ocean currents, and rotation of the earth also cause changes or drive ocean currents. Right? What are the two main categories that ocean currents fall into? Surface and deep ocean currents. So surface currents are closer to the air, and the deep ocean currents are deeper inside the ocean. Okay, near the shore, ocean currents are driven. This should be driven by wind and tides. Meanwhile, in the open ocean, wind is the major force behind surface currents. Okay, currents help redistribute warmth around the globe. So without currents, the climate of different areas would be very, very different, right? And since we live in California, the weather and climate we have is really due to the currents that occur by our shore. Okay, So this is the last or 2 assignments ago assignment talking about ocean currents. Okay, last time what we did is we talked about density, right? And so density is how much stuff there is in a given space. And so in the ocean, when we talk about density, we're really talking about salinity, or how much salt is in the ocean, right? Or in the layer of water in the ocean. All right, so you have the same video, but the second part of it that you need to watch to answer in order to answer these questions about the deep ocean currents. All right, so please review and review the video, go over the video. If you want to turn on transcripts, again, you go to, let me try and click on this link. This will take you to this link, which is not YouTube.
The way the Earth.
Right? But if you click on YouTube, the video will continue in YouTube. You might have to skip an ad. Okay, but what you can do is click on these 3 dots here and open transcript. Okay, and the transcript will show you what they're speaking, right, with the timestamp. So let me try and skip this ad. If it goes.
If the Earth didn't rotate, air and water would simply move back and forth between low pressure at the equator and high pressure at the poles.
Okay, see there, you can follow along, and as the transcript, as the video goes, the transcript moves down, right? So another tool in YouTube they can use to learn. All right, so please please work on this, and we'll discuss it next time. And if you have any questions or any concerns, please email or leave a comment on Google Classroom. And if you want to meet on Zoom, just let me know and we will meet. All right, have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.